Coming to you live, Bud Dog Customs. I ain't no Ford man, but hello. Nah, I still ain't gonna buy a Ford, but I'll paint them. I think we still got a ground wire missing or not making good connection on that park light, headlight. Gotta terminate that wire, see what's going on. They got a 429 big block in that sap sucker. Didn't come in it, but the family had put it in. Said the story is they won it on a poker game. Like I won the LTD and then took the motor out the LTD and put it in the Ford truck. This is a farm truck. Been in the family for 3 generations. We wanted to get it restored. I talked him into a bed liner. I don't think he likes that, but after he's seen it. But anyway. Yeah, man. Pea green. I don't know what color green is. Factory colors. Yes sir. Don't give me a like, subscribe, comment. Got all up under the bottom, painted black. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah. Painted the frame, new brakes. Got it done up for you. Yeah, y'all give me a like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a good one. Later.